Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. To my new subscriber, I appreciate you all for coming in. May God bless you all. So today is another tutorial, another look, another eyeshadow. Yes, before that, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to everyone who supports me during this challenge of uploading. Everyday uploading is not easy for everyone to be watching. You know, many people are working, many of them take care of their family, children, and other things, so which is not easy. So I appreciate you all, the ones that is about to watch, the one is not that is not yet to watch. So I appreciate you all that watch my video during this challenge between Golden Lady and the device mic. So it's all just as I said before, for the beginning of Saturday or Sunday, it was challenge of uploading every day till 7 days, which is Saturday now. That is the end of it. So I appreciate you all. It's not easy for me. I learned something also, because sometimes I just like, when I come back for work, I just want to relax myself, even though I have time to do other things or to film, but I just decide to relax. That is why you see me uploading every Tuesday. I was not able to upload on Tuesday or Thursday. So with this challenge, I've learned my strengths. I've understand my strength, how I can able to be uploading, filming and upload editing. So I understand my energy now. So I'll be uploading now every Tuesday, my normal time, Tuesday and Thursday, the 12:45. So that is it. So if you want to see how I create this eyeshadow look, stay to the end. And Merry Christmas to you all. I wish you all the best in Christmas. I wish you all the best. So if you want to see how I create this look, stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. I'm done with the eyebrow off camera, as you can see. So I'll be doing the eyeshadow with you guys. So let's just continue. I'll be trying these two concealer, NYX and the Juvia's Place concealer. So these two, NYX and Juvia's Place, because it's light. So for me to get what I want, so that is why I will be using two of them. So first of all, I will apply the NYX concealer on my crease. I'll be blending it with my usual brush, which I normally use. So I continue to blend it, no? With a Revolution, no? I'm using the same brush. So place for the cut crease. So I'll be doing the full face. I will do the full face first before I add my lashes. So I'll be coming back very soon with the complete eyeshadow look. See you guys in a few minutes. So this is the final look of this eyeshadow look, this glitter eyeshadow here, this silver eyeshadow. Yeah, this is the final look. So if you know you love this video and you watch it from beginning to the end, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe, please. And see you guys on my next video. Stay safe is very important. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye.